Hi guys, this is a video about an Angry Bird in a steampunk box. Yes, believe it or not. Right now what you're looking at is an Angry Bird made in polymer clay and a wood base that I painted in black. All I'm going to do is, like you see there, I'm going to put the Angry Bird on the base and then boom, we got a little sculpture. Very nice gift to give, because this whole project is for a gift. And right now I'm going to show you the card that I made for this person as a birthday card. It's a steampunk oriented, like the other ones I showed you before. It's very nice. We wrote a message on the back, saying happy birthday, and it's really nice. The project, I had a lot of difficulties trying to create this project and the video, because there were too many things going on. I was in a rush, and I can't, I didn't show you how I did the polymer clay Angry Bird, but no worries. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make him, and if anything, just go ahead and check it out. There's a lot of great people that can show you this. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to start coating this bird with triple thick. So enjoy, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so like I said before, and I want to show you because I think you better understand what I'm trying to say. You see the colors that I was talking to you about. See, it's green like a garden, very blue. This is invitation card, and I think that is, like I said, I mean, it's cute and everything, and the colors are, but I don't know. I got the feeling if I do this box where the bird is gonna go in, it's gonna look too girly. And he's gonna be 14. He's not like a little kid, So I thought, like I said, maybe going with the route of doing something more vintage, more cool, like. And maybe what I'm gonna do, what I have in mind, is cover the box with dictionary paper. Yeah, you heard it, dictionary paper. Dictionary paper is very cool for vintage stuff. So I'm gonna try to do that look better and see what happens. So here we go. Okay, by far what you saw is that I put a very light white coat on this box because I was going to draw on it, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Like I told you, I'm going to use dictionary paper. I have here some dictionary paper that I got. Dictionary at the dollar store. You can get this at the dollar store. It's just $1. I mean, my main dictionaries are very, very nice dictionaries, and I would never destroy a dictionary just because I just want to. So I went ahead and I found this at the dollar store. It was just only $1. It's just regular book paper, and it's awesome for what I need to do. So I cut a few strips here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue the paper around the lid and the box. So here we go. Okay, now that you saw the whole process on gluing the dictionary paper to the box, here you're looking at the finished product. Unfortunately, I couldn't quite get the video that I was doing the whole process of painting the box, and all I did was use the distress ink from Tim Holtz. I dabbed the colors like very randomly, and this was the effect. It's the same process I do the cards. I apologize. I really don't know what happened, but anyway, what I'm showing you right now is that I didn't like the way the ink process on the border of the lid, and it's because that was the only part of the box I didn't glue dictionary paper, so the ink quite didn't do the trick. So for me to be happy with it, all I came up with was I took my acrylic metallic colors and I chose the one that it was like kind of very dark gold, so it looked vintage. So this is what you're looking at right now. It's me painting the lid, or the border of the lid, in order for me to accomplish that dark look, because it was not dark, it was very light. As you can see, you can see actually the difference right now in one side and the other. The whole project has been a hassle because I lost some of the videos. I ran out of memory, I ran out of batteries. um, I was on a clock, because this was I did all this process in like probably 1 hour, and I was going crazy. But the important thing, I think, of all this is that you're watching a little bit of this, and I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun because the box came out really, really nice. I love the steampunk look. I'm not gonna stop saying that. Um, I think for this specific project, I accomplished the task. I'm showing you that in the inner side of the box right now, there's nothing, no painting, no nothing. I was gonna paint it, but I didn't have the time. So the only idea I came up with, I just grabbed some more dictionary paper, and what I did was filled up all the inside of it. So I did a little bit of cushion inside the box for the Angry Bird, so it won't be, you know, it won't be like loose inside the box. So here, see, I already put the dictionary paper inside the box. I'm just closing the box. I just show you how the Angry Bird looks inside the box, and I'm just closing the box. And after that, all I did was add the card and add a ribbon to it. I just wrap it up like a Christmas box or a birthday box. Very vintage, very nice look. It was great. I mean, for anything you want to give as a gift box is great, because it's not only, it's not just a gift that, the paper you're gonna just throw it away. The box, you will keep it forever, so the box could be anything. So I thought, it's a great idea when you want to give somebody something in a box, with something interesting that looks like it's wrapped up, but it's not. And I all I can tell you guys, it was fun. It was great. I think that I accomplished my task, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I promise I'll do a video only about how to make this box, and you know what you can do right now is rate, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.